All right, is there anyone else ready?
Yeah.
Nicholas Carrion.
He's in federal custody.
All right, on this one, do you know the update on the?
Not an official update. We know he's pled last year on federal court. I'm trying to get a copy of the plea bargain and what he pled to, but I don't have it as of yet.
Okay. So,
Just a couple weeks.
all right, Ms. Fergus, can you recall Carrion in 3 weeks? And we probably need him bench warranted here.
I suspect we'll take a lifetime.
Oh, okay.
So let's give it for 2 weeks, and then if you decide, I don't want you to go through the trouble with that one.
It is expensive.
Yes, yes.
All right.
And I know it'd be ignored for everybody. So.
All right, so we'll recall it for the 18th. You're welcome.
Great day.
All right, you too.
Yeah.
Mr. Garcia, Antonio Garcia.
Yeah.
All right, you're going to come back on September 10th. Your attorney is currently in a jury trial. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you. Bram Martinez, counsel on Bram Martinez. Hi. So did the state tender an offer?
They did today. If we can have maybe till the 16th or so.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this for a plea deadline date, the defense counsel is asking for, you say September 16th?
Or the 17th.
All right, September 16th would be your plea deadline date, and I'll need an acknowledgement of discovery if I have not received one.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Do you have any questions, sir? Thank you.
Thank you.
And Siriaga? Good morning.
But the topic is the case. We also have a setting on September 8th. Aggravated sexual assault case. I didn't have it in my calendar because I had it for September 8th.
Okay, no, that's fine. So then what we'll do is we'll just bring you back on September 8th. Sometimes what ends up happening is different cases. If you have a different case, it gets put on another date when it's indicted, okay? All right, so we'll bring you back on September 8th. Norma, he already has another case set on September 8th. All right, we'll see you then. If you'll sign the reset form for this case, then you can be excused. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Yes. Nicholas Cornelius?
Yes.
All right, are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
We were not, Judge. We were having conferences this morning with the state. We had a recommendation by the probation as to what to do with this case. State has informed me that they need to look into an alleged new number one to try and figure out exactly kind of what the gravity of that situation is, whether or not they can go along with the probation's recommendation or whether or not they need to instead want to revoke. And so we're asking to get this case reset. It's my understanding the court will probably set this for a contested. And then we just come back and hopefully get some resolution. I think, but I just wanted to give the state a chance to at least have that opportunity to look at the charge and figure out kind of the neighborhood together as they know.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a contested hearing. And this needs to be done quickly. It says that he's on hold for federal marshals.
He is, Judge. We've got about 10 months that he's going to finish out with the feds on this case as well. So,
okay.
You want to do that September 10th?
I'm sorry, what's it?
She's saying September 10th.
Wasn't there? Sorry, it seems like September 10th. There's getting stacked up.
Okay.
I can do September 16th.
That should be fine, Judge.
All right, your contested hearing is going to be September 16th.
is there another? It's just because it's a Tuesday and I'm going to be on the bench. I know.
All right, Thursday, Norma?
That Thursday, the 18th. Perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
We'll see you then. Probation, that's going to be a contested hearing on September 18th. Desiree Hiera? It's what is it?
Hera. Yeah.
See? That's why I'm always, do I pronounce the H or not? Well, we're waiting for your attorney, Mr. Hill. Is he going to be here? I mean, if she's on the docket for a hearing. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so this is what the issue is, what I'm receiving. You're not submitting for your UAs? Why are you not submitting for UAs?
I did submit for 2 UAs. The sample wasn't enough, so they poured it out and told me I had to come back. And in both situations, I had gave them the last bit of money that I had just to do the UA, and they told me that in order to come back, I would have to pay for it again. I didn't have the money to pay for it again, so I was running around trying to get the money.
So when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right, so we're going to have her do a drug test today.
Here's the twist, it's Veterans Court. This isn't just about substance abuse. It's also about PTSD and mental health. But by denying his struggles, this veteran could be shutting himself out of the very program designed to help him heal.
All right, and then we'll come back, have you come back this afternoon. Just give me one moment.
Again, Donna?
She's going to tell you.
Oh, okay.
Right over here.
Can I talk to you about something?
You can talk to me after you do your UA.
Oh.
I did one, just probation sent me to do one yesterday too.
All right, we're going to do this one today. All right, thank you. Tyler Ketchum.
Morning, Judge, for President.
All righty. Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm hanging in there.
Oh, you got to do better than just hanging in there. Life should be about more, right?
Should be.
All right. Yes, counsel.
Judge, my understanding is we're set for a probation status. I talked to probation this morning. It looks like Mr. Kitchen's probation was transferred to Harris County. One of the conditions was that he enrolled in Veterans Court. And it looks like he hasn't enrolled in Veterans Court. When I talked to him about it, and I think in conversation with probation, it looks like Mr. Ketchum has let me know that he doesn't qualify, or he's telling probation that he doesn't have any substance abuse problems. And so he doesn't want to give up his spot to a veteran who does need substance abuse program treatment. And I believe that's why we're here this morning, Judge.
All right. So here's the thing. We were here. I remember your case. You're supposed to be going to Veterans Treatment Court there.
But they didn't accept me into the program. I don't have a drug or alcohol problem. I've been very vehement with my former attorney who I fired due to malpractice.
No. So here's the thing. You're supposed to be in Veterans Treatment Court. That's where you're supposed to be. And Veterans Treatment Court is not necessarily 100% about drug addiction. Sometimes it's about mental health issues and other things, but that's where you're supposed to be. And I remember you, and we had a long conversation concerning this. Could I see his file, please? Yes. And we were here, and I said he would not be allowed to transfer to Austin unless he was monitored in court.
The stakes couldn't be higher, 7 years in prison or safe, a strict rehab program within the system. This is where justice walks the line between punishment and the chance for redemption. Which path would you take?
And his attorney was here, and we went over these long hearings about his being transferred so there could be a smooth transition to Veterans Treatment Court in Austin.
Understand, Your Honor. And I spoke to the individuals over there, and they denied my entrance into the program.
Oh, I'm sure they will deny it if you say I don't have any problems.
Because I don't have any drug or alcohol.
All right, so here's the thing. You're not going to be living in Austin.
Understand?
So he's not going to be living in Austin because those were the rules for in order for him to reside in Austin. And you come before me and then you go somewhere else. I don't have a drug problem. I don't have a mental health issue.
I never stated I don't have a mental health issue. I've been seeing the VA regularly.
Yeah. So he's supposed to be in the Veterans Treatment Court in Austin Council. That's where he's supposed to be. And if he's not going to be in that program then he's going to have to be here.
Okay.
For supervision. So it's up to him. That's the last choice he will have.
So then how much longer do I have to go through this program, this next program? I'm trying to get on with my life. I've lost everything. I've lost my service animal. I've lost my home. I've lost my possessions. I have no family left.
Yeah, my heart.
I'm doing the best I can under circumstances that are way beyond my control.
All right. So I'll let you all discuss that. All right. Thank you. All right. Justin James Gonzalez. All right, so where are we on this case, counsel? This is a motion to revoke.
It is. We filed previously a certificate of appeal.
All right, can I have the motion to revoke, please? So he has a motion to revoke.
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
But we're here to resolve that.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 6213 State versus Justin James Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Orlando Costa, Northford Defense.
And are you Mr. Justin James Gonzalez?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Justin James Gonzalez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 6213 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 20th, 2022 for a period of 7 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. We're here this morning on state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 16th day of July, 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Justin James Gonzalez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
You plead to that true or not true?
True.
State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and that is to deny the motion and alter and amend conditions to add safe P followed by safe P aftercare.
Yeah, that is correct, Judge. We were here about 10 days ago. Mr. Gonzalez, at that time, we were going to go forward with this motion. He wanted to take that 10 days to allow me some more time to prepare because I just been assigned that day. I met with him at the jail, and we discussed this case. My belief was that these violations, there were some issues, I think, improving that, he did participate in one of the classes, and we needed to get, I guess, payment to them to provide the certification of completion of one of those programs. He was in the process of enrolling in parenting class. He told me that, he had done 90 days cognitive with ISF, but he had not done a substance abuse track, and that he actually wanted treatment. And so it kind of took me aback because I didn't believe that's where we were at when I first met with him. He said, no, I want to be treated. I want to get treatment. He was very motivated for treatment. He was asking for 90 days substance abuse track. If not SATA, speaking with the state agreed that if they were going to make a recommendation, that it would be for safe P. Even knowing that that's a longer program, Mr. Gonzalez said, I want treatment. And so I believe he's motivated for treatment. And that wants to help get past any of these substance abuse issues that he has.
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice. You know yourself better than I do, better than probation does, better than your attorney does, right? But you're going to have to be 100%